Jai Srimanarayana. Sixth sloka of 17th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Karsayantaha Sarirastham Bhutagramam Acetasaha Mam Chaivantaha Sarirastham Tan Vidhi Asura Nischayan. Om. Do not torture your body and Paramatma who is there in your body by observing unauthorized fastings and dikshas. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall not disturb, torture my body and you by observing unauthorized fastings and dikshas. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krityam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu Tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam, 8th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, after Devatas and Chaturmukha Brahma, Paramasiva, they heard Paramatma's Upadesham and they did Namaskaram to Sriman Narayana and said, we will do as you say. Then Paramatma disappeared from there. After that, Devatas came down to Bali Chakravarti, who is the king of Asuras. and they came there to compromise. They came there to make an understanding. Noticing that Bali Chakravarti stopped his soldiers doing any attack upon Devatas. Then Devendra came down to Bali Chakravarti with pleasantness. He started speaking to the king of Asuras and also told him everything what Sriman Narayana asked them to do. Bali Chakravarti also decided to do what Sriman Narayana has told and what Indra told. Then Arishtanemi, Sambara, all other followers of Bali Chakravarti also decided to do the same thing. After that, Devatas, Danavas, with that temporary understanding, they have started their efforts to do the churning of the Kshirasagara, Milky Ocean. Then Tataste Mandaragirim Vojasa Utpatya Durmadaha. Then with all of their strength, they have unrooted the mountain Mandara, and while screaming loudly, they started carrying that Mandara Parvatam towards Kshirasagaram. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasetravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 17th chapter, 6th sloka. Karsayantas sarirastham bhutagramamachetasah mam chaivantas sarirastham tan vidhi asura nishchayan. Karsayantas sarirastham bhutagramamachetasah mam chaivantas sarirastham tan vidhi asura nishchayan. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.